Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, today I have made a scrolling background in Scratch with very easy codes. So let's see the preview of this project. You can see how the sprite is walking and the background is scrolling. So this is the very small and easy animation in Scratch for Scratch beginners. So let's see the code for all these sprites and background. So the code for background 1, that is when the green flag click, go to X0, Y0, go to back layer forever, motion blocks are there, operators blocks are there and control blocks are there. We have made this background by our own using the clicking on sprite and choosing the brush tool. And for the background 2, I have copied the duplicating the background 1 code here. Third, the sprite is a very walking. From the sprite library, I have taken a very walking girl and I have put in a code from event block and motion block. So this is the very simple project on Scratch. So you can see that how it's working. So this is the very easy and very innovative project in Scratch. So you can try and let me know how was this video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.